Holy crap, it's a little chillier than I expected. Haven't ridden in the morning in a while. Frickin' mirror always gets messed up. Anyways, what's going on, guys? We are going on a poker run today, actually. It is for a rider that went down about a month or two ago. He's had to do physical therapy, all kinds of other stuff. So it's a little poker run fundraiser for him. If you don't know what a poker run is, if this is like the ones that I used to do with my dad in his like 34 Pontiac like car, basically you start somewhere, you like pay money to do it and whatever. Like I said, this is a fundraiser, so you donate a little bit of money, and then there's some sponsors. I think Cycle Gear is sponsoring it and a couple other companies around here. So basically you start somewhere and then you go to 5 different places, and at each one of those places you get a card. At the end of it all, I think you get like 5 or 6 cards or something like that, and whoever has the best 5-card hand of poker gets like a prize at the end. Sometimes they do like worst hand, second best, stuff like that. Water, no! I got a little misted. People, they just come right across. I saw the blinker. I didn't know if he was going all the way over. I just waited a second. Look at all those cars just sitting there, rusting even more. That's a pretty weird spot. Okay, thanks, mud. My bike's not clean or anything. This road is trash. I feel like I say that a lot, but this is Oklahoma City. I'm only like 15 minutes late. That's not bad, I guess, right? I have stuff to do. The RV has a problem. Looks like we missed the turn. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Nothing like being in a group ride and needing gas. That's pretty awesome. All the bikes. We got a lot of them. I haven't counted, but there's probably 50 if I was to guess, at least. Oh man. That's going to cause an accident. I need gas somewhere. I need freaking gas. Viper! Good looking SS. Move! Oh. Oh. I needed gas. Yeah, I just forgot. Falling behind. All the bikes are going. All the bikes are going. So we got our second card. I got myself a Jack of Diamonds. So I'm at Queen of Hearts Jack of Diamonds right now. So I'm going for a little straight. And then they gave out some prizes, stuff like that. We were at a dispensary, so they were handing out some weed stuff as long as you were at had your green card, you know what I mean. Now we're going to Twin Peaks, getting the next card, getting some food as well, I believe. I want you to get off your phone and let us get over. Got all the bikes blocking the road because we got a lot of them. Kid was loving it. So we got some food. A lot of the Harleys already went to Cycle Gear. That's our next spot. I got a Jack of Hearts. So I'm sitting Jack of Hearts, Jack of Diamonds, and Queen of Hearts right now. So I'm en route for the best hand. That bike is pretty sick. Squad. So we just left Cycle Gear and I got a freaking 2 of spades. I was wanting a Jack or a Queen. I got a 2 of spades. That is the last thing I wanted. So now I have 2 Jacks, a Queen, and a 2. Look at that wheel tape. Look at it. It's so tiny. Tiny sound. You got tiny sound. But now we are going to NT Performance, which makes all these stretched race bikes and stuff, all the race bikes from the drags, all that.
I keep forgetting you do wheelies too. Like, oh, there's a third person here.
I'm bored, bro. I gotta do something. Break the knot.
He got put into the ambulance. Yeah, he's alive. He was wearing a helmet.
That's good.
He was just going down the road and that car just ran into him. Hey, what's time?
All right, I can ride back up there and get Joe if he's not on his way up here.
Yeah, I think he went the wrong way. Yeah.
Or wait, I have his number. I've seen this bike before.
Yeah, and then yeah, he had like an orange CBR, and then it was blue, and I don't know, y'all. I might have ridden with y'all because he'd go out there and I'd be on a white boost normally.
What, Circle K and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you probably have. All right, so obviously I was not there when the accident happened. We were hanging out up there at NT Performance, and then somebody got a call saying that there was a wreck on a white 675 Triumph. So Wybrew, Lane, all of us, we were all thinking, oh crap, Thomas, maybe he was on his way up here or something like that, but it was not him. So I immediately left to go see what was going on, to go figure out what was up, because we had miscommunication saying like the rider was like effed up and possibly dead. I rode up here to make sure it wasn't Thomas because he wasn't answering right away. So the rider is actually okay. Basically what happened is a slug bug Volkswagen Beetle was pulling out of the parking lot, and he was traveling at like 40 miles an hour, 45 something, and the car started to pull out, and then they stopped. So as he was pulling out, he started to stop, but then they stopped, so he started to speed back up, and as he was speeding back up, they started to go again, and he hit the left front corner of their car. He flew over, bike flew over, bike looks totaled, but he went to the ambulance, he got cleared, he's good now, and I'm gonna go back here and talk to the boys and then probably go home from there. You gonna launch? Well, we left. I didn't win anything, of course, so there's that. But I'm gonna go home. I've been gone for about 9 hours today. I hope you guys enjoyed this very different video because it's my first poker run, and also a random bike went down, which kind of sucks, but he's good. It's all that matters. Bikes will be replaced. You can't. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and comment down below. Please subscribe if you have not. I would appreciate that. And then, yeah, have a great week. And I will, I'll see you next time. It's freaking hot! I hope you guys have a great week. Peace!